Hey boys, this is Don's spot. Don, he used to work for Diamond Auto. Now he has his own shop, paint shop here in Rancho Cordova. And Kevin's been wanting to paint his NSX, and it's been the longest time. Finally, he decided that he's gonna paint it. He brought it here. So he decided to paint the car black. You know, you gotta take out all the wraps here. I mean, the car is originally black. We got the front lip here, downforce. Kevin's gonna be putting on this front lip. This is beautiful carbon fiber. Look at that. That'll be going to the front of that NSX. Plus he has his sides, the side skirts. These side skirts will be put on to replace the other side skirts. I think the ones he has here are Stacy sides. And then this front lip will be replaced. I think you should paint the wheels too. But this is the start of Kevin's NSX. And it's finally getting put together and worked on.
Top's still the same, just the mirror.
The mirrors?
Yeah, we'll take the mirror off.
The mirrors, this is wrapped, so this needs to be painted.
Yeah, so we're gonna unwrap that and then we're gonna wrap
But
it.
this will be all taped up. This will be black and then carbon fiber in the inside. All right. And then this is all wrapped. This will be taken out and painted black.
Yes.
This whole roof is going to get painted black.
Yeah.
The vent here, it's carbon fiber. He doesn't want to paint that.
No.
We're going to leave that.
Yeah, we're gonna leave that alone.
Okay.
Let it be moved. I mean, yeah, we
This is carbon fiber,
Yes.
so we're going to leave this.
Yes.
He's not painting this, right?
No, this piece is the same.
Okay. That stays carbon fiber.
And this piece, the spoiler is staying the same.
Okay.
Staying the same black.
It looks
and-
clean already.
Yeah, it looks super clean. And we have a new side skirt that's coming in.
Yep. Did he say anything about the wheels? You want to paint the wheels?
He didn't say anything on it yet, but I would love to. Yeah.
You can clean it up and just paint it black and put a clear coat on it.
Yes. Or like a little different offset color, whatever you like.
Bronze.
Yeah, there you go.
Bronze look good.
Yeah, it's a little sand or something, like almost like that, a little darker. Yes.
Yes. Tell him.
Yes.
Kevin, we can paint your wheels too.
Yes.
And redo your calipers over.
Okay. Yeah. Whatever color you like, right?
Yeah. And this is gonna be black anyways.
Yes. So
It
we
looks
pop
black.
the
Yeah.
bit off and prep it, and
Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Okay.
Hello, my name is Da, and welcome to SeaWorks. And over here we do custom repair, collision, and we're gonna unwrap it and we're gonna give it a whole new change, a whole new color.
So you used to work for David Tran over at Diamond Auto?
Yes, correct. So I was there. I couldn't remember the exact year, but I was there for about 5 years, and when everything.
They were super busy there.
Yes, they're super busy. There's always work, and I learned a lot at Diamond too. You know, with all the custom and everything. So yeah, being at Diamond just kind of.
And then you build up your reputation being a painter.
Yes.
And now you have your own shop.
Yes. Now
Hell
I have
yeah,
my shop
that's
at
really
SeaWorks.
good. SeaWorks, Southeast Asian collision.
Yes.
And this is what they do. They paint cars. They work on cars, whether it's through insurance purposes or you get the money, come down here and get it done.
Hello guys. So this right here is our spray booth. Welcome in.
Let's take a look. All right, the paint booth here, guys.
So this is spray booth right here.
This is where the cars get painted at.
So this is where the magic happens.
Yeah. How much to build one of these, do you know?
It depends on how much
Average?
You want. Yeah, it average like 25 to whatever, to a lot.
Do you guys have one of those that straighten up the frame on the car?
Yes, we do. I can show you that right now.
Oh, let's go take a look at it. Anyway.
The frame machine, it run about like 10 to 15 grand.
Oh, that's not too bad.
And this right here is my toner. I mix everything in house. Everything we use is PPG, and this is my computer. Everything's all warranty.
Yeah.
And we just did this GTR. And our frame machine right here, and all this post, it rotates 360 degrees.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so like, so we can pull.
Did you get the shop with the frame and the paint booth?
Yes.
Oh, you got a good deal.
Yes, with the lift.
I want to see what year this car is.
Yes.
See that, guys? Hey guys, this is just part 1 of Kevin's NSX. So stay tuned for part 2. Until next time, guys. I'll see you.
Okay.
Yeah, we're here at Da's shop. Southeast Asian Works Collision. He used to work for David Tran for like 5 years until he got his own place. And Kevin's lime green NSX is in here. Finally getting it worked on. And those are the pieces that's going to be going on the car. The front lip and then the side skirts, the new side skirts. The car's going to be painted black. And it's his first day here. If you guys need your cars painted and worked on, this is the place to come. Check them out. Da.